Hello beautiful viewers, welcome back to my channel Fashion Fables. If you are new my channel, please subscribe and like my video. Today we have something truly enchanting in store for you as you delve into the world of fashions and celebrating the timeless beauty of gorgeous dress for women. If you are ready to be captivated by elegance and charm, you are in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on your fabulous fashions content. Let's get started. There's something magical about the way a woman carries herself in a cozy dress. The delicate details, the magical, it's a symphony of style that never fails to leave a lasting impression. Number 1. The allure of cozy dress. To truly the beauty of cozy dress, let's first understanding that make them so special. A cozy dress typically features intricate fleur or lake embellishments, creating the harmonious blend of femininity and sophistication. The detailing on the dress is a statement to and design, making them a standout choice for special occasions. Number 2. Versatility in styles. One of the remarkable aspects of cozy dresses is versatility, whether you are attending a formal events, a wedding, or romantic dinner. There are cozy dresses to suit various occasions, from long flowing gown to canny length dress. The options are endless. Here we are stunning collection of cozy dress as unique in own day. This is perfect for a garden party, for a summer wedding. Number 3. Choosing the right accessory. The beauty of a cozy dress lies not only in the dress itself but also in how you accessory it. Whether it is a pair of elegant heels, a cloth of suitable jewelry, the key is the enchants the overall look without the dress. Let the coaches take center stage. Take a look of the accessory, a dainty necklace, a simple bracelet, and a pair of heels. The complement the dress practically. Remember, it's all about balance and letting the dress shine. Number 4. Embarrassing confidence. What truly makes a woman resonate a cozy dress is her confidence. When you feel good it with wearing it show, stand or embarrass your beauty and let the world your runway. We are warped up today exploring in the world of cozy dress. I hope you been inspired to embrace the beauty within you.